When moving to a new country, it is absolutely normal to have many burning questions about all aspects of life. One thing that affects almost all of us, one way or another, is taxes. And taxation is indeed something that varies greatly between countries. Hi all, my name is Nina and welcome to the Free Info Spain channel. And today we're talking to a Spanish tax expert to have the most essential questions answered about how the Spanish tax system relates to you as a foreigner living in or thinking of moving to Spain. With us today we have Murillo, a Spanish tax expert from the tax consultancy Fresh. So hi Murillo, and thank you so much for joining us today. Alright, let's jump right in and start with the first question. What makes the Spanish tax system unique compared to other European countries, for example Portugal?
The tax system in Spain is quite high. The taxation has a quite burden, but we have a specific tax system that we call Beckham law that allow people to apply for it when they came into Spain. And this system allows to pay 24% only on the Spanish income.
Now you mentioned the Beckham law. Can you explain a little bit more about what this is?
Beckham law is a system that allows you to only be taxed on the Spanish source income at a flat rate of 24%. You can apply if you met some requirements. If you have not been tax resident in Spain for the 5 previous years, you are an employee of a legal entity in Spain, or you are a digital nomad. This tax regime is for the first year that you apply and the 5 following years.
Alright, next question. What kind of tax benefits does Spain offer to digital nomads specifically?
Digital nomads are very lucky because they can profit to work in the place that they want for a foreign entity, and they will be taxed on the worldwide job income at a flat rate of 24% in Spain.
So how do taxes in Spain differ across regions?
It depends of in which region do you live that you will pay more or less taxes. It's because we have Spain has some kind of federal regions with regard to the personal income tax. If you live in Madrid, you will pay less than if you live in Catalonia, but it depends of your income and your personal circumstances.
And for people who live in Spain, do they need to file a Spanish tax return?
In general, I would say yes, but there are some thresholds that you don't need to file taxes. If your income is less than 22,000 euros per year, you are not able to file. But if you have an economic activity, or if you have a rentals income, you for sure you will file taxes in Spain.
Alright, the next question is about the wealth tax in Spain. Can you briefly explain who has to pay this tax?
Tax residents in Spain should pay wealth tax if the value of their assets are higher than 700,000 euros or 500,000 euros depending on the region. Also, foreign people who has assets in Spain that reach that values will be paid taxes in Spain as a real obligations.
And for our American viewers, how do American citizens navigate having to file taxes in both the US and in Spain?
American people should file taxes in both countries. The first country should be Spain, and the second one should be USA, because it's USA that the country that will apply the dual taxation treaty.
A lot of people use Spain as a place to retire. So for those who come to Spain with an income that is mainly from a pension of sorts, how is that taxed?
Pension incomes we need to differ. Public pensions are private pensions. Usually public pensions are paid in the country of the source, which means the country where the pension is paid. And the non-public pensions are taxed in the country of the beneficiary of the pension, where this beneficiary resides.
And for people who work and who may be self-employed or freelancing, is it better in Spain to be registered as a self-employed individual or to open an LLC?
It's a difficult question. It depends about the amount, but if we compare the amounts, at the end, it can be the same or not because they are involved also personal circumstances. And I think that the autonomous will be best because they can, the net income, I think that will be less than the net income from a S corporation.
And what should someone do who's thinking of moving to Spain in terms of tax planning?
It's very important because the first year is crucial if you want to apply for the Beckham law. Second one, if you want to move in Spain and you are planning to sell some one of your assets, you need to know in which country will be taxed. And the third, you may know the tax burden of your movement to Spain.
All right, that was all the questions we had for today. So thank you so much to Murillo for answering these questions, and thank you to Fresh for sponsoring and helping to make this video possible. If you want more information about Spanish taxes for expats, you'll find a link in the description so you can reach out to Fresh for more guidance. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to help this channel and help me make more videos, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Alright, warm greetings from beautiful Spain and see you in the next one.